What's up, guys? Long time no see. So this is gonna be a bittersweet moment because I want to check in, but I'm also in a hurry. So I'm down here in Jacksonville, North Carolina at Martial Arts and More. We're doing a 100-man grappling challenge. I'm gonna try to break down what that is real fast so I can run in here. It's 100 men, 100 rounds of grappling straight, 3 minutes on, 1 minute off. Can't sit any rounds out. You get 5 minutes on every hour to run to the restroom, and that's about it. And so it's going to be pretty tough. See if I can make it through it. I will. See how many people make it through it with me. So it's going to be a long time. I think it's like 6 or 7 hours. It ends up being 5 hours of total grappling time, consecutive. So this should be fun. I'll see you guys with updates. Okay, what's up, guys? So, first check-in, I think we are 25 rounds in, 75 to go. I am very exhausted. I'm gonna keep this one short because we still got a lot of video left. But yeah, got 3 minutes left on a break. Back at it. Alright guys, so 50 rounds deep. Still gonna keep this short because there's so much more left. This sucks. Well, sucks in a good way. Alright guys, so just completed the 100-man grappling challenge, 100 round, I don't know, 100-man, 100 round grappling challenge. Either way, it's 100 rounds straight grappling, 1 minute rest in between. It took 5 hours. I think we got here, what time did we get here, Mary? We got here at 9. We are just finishing, and it is what time? 5:08. So it's 5:08. We started grappling at probably 10 after 9. It is 5:08. I've had enough time to change clothes and get off the mats. My knees look like hamburger meat. Other than that, I think I had 1 cramp in my forearm. Wasn't too bad. Had a great time. Shout out to Martial Arts and More for putting on this event in Jacksonville, North Carolina. And yeah, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. What's up, guys? So I said I was going to end the video yesterday, but I feel like today's part of the experience too. So I'm going to touch base about yesterday. Just to go in a little more detail now that I'm not so rushed. It was 100 rounds of grappling. It's supposed to be 100 people, so it'd be different people each time. I'm not sure if we had 100 people or if it was just from people dropping out and not completing. But we did our 100 rounds. 1 minute in between each round. You get 5 minutes on each hour. So it was like literally 100 rounds straight with just the break, and then every hour we got 5 minutes to run to the bathroom or to eat or whatever real fast. Whatever wasn't finished at the end of 5 minutes, you just waited and did at the next break. As far as being sore goes, I'm not very sore, or at least how I had anticipated, but my knees are really beat up and like my hips are really sore. But other than that, honorable mentions would just be like either the mat burn or the fact that my whole upper body feels like I have a sunburn from people like gripping it. But yeah, it was a great experience. I would definitely do it again. No time soon. I'd have to forget about how bad it was first. And what I mean bad is just how challenging. But it'll push you in weird ways. It was like I learned a lot about how I grapple. That's for sure. Because you revert, after a while, you just revert back to whatever you can do and what is muscle memory. And some things that are muscle memory you just can't do after you grapple for 5 hours straight. Quite literally straight. I'm gonna leave my whoop, like I'm gonna drop some pictures after this as well, just from the event, and I'm gonna leave like the screenshot of my Whoop app from the whole time, because I got my I kept my watch on for the entire duration. But yeah, guys, so hope you enjoyed those and enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Also, just real quick shout out to Martial Arts and More for putting on the event, and I believe they have a video on YouTube where you can actually check out the event. It was live streamed, so you guys can check it out, and I'll try to find that and put a link in the bio to that as well. So yeah, you guys have a good day.